In this video, I'm going to show you the best NVIDIA settings for Valorant. So if you want to go and boost your FPS and just overall gaming performance, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now the first thing we need to do is go and open up the NVIDIA Control Panel. Now if you don't have this installed, you can always head over to the Microsoft Store and you can install this app directly from the Microsoft Store. So once you've opened up the control panel, click on Adjust Image Settings in the left hand side and then click on this option, Use My Preference Emphasizing. Now reduce the slider all the way down to Performance and then go and recheck the box next to Use the Advanced 3D Image Settings. You can then press Apply at the bottom of this window. Now go and click on Manage 3D Settings from the left hand side. Make sure your preferred graphics processor is set to high performance NVIDIA. Now we're going to change some settings themselves. So for the image sharpening, make sure this is turned off. The ambient occlusion should also be turned off. The anisotropic filtering set to off. And all of these anti-aliasing modes should be set to off. We're then going to scroll down to background application max frame rate and turn this off. If you do want to cap your frame rate, it's better to do this in the game itself. For the CUDA GPUs, make sure this is set to all. For the CUDA fallback policy, set to driver default. Click on the drop down next to low latency mode and set this to ultra. For the max frame rate, set this to off. Once again, we can always cap the frame rate in the game. Multi-frame rate sampled AA, set this to off. OpenGL GDI compatibility should be set to auto. Click on the drop down next to OpenGL rendering and from here go and select your NVIDIA GPU. For the power management mode, set this to prefer maximum performance. The shader cache size should be set to unlimited. The texture filtering anisotropic should be set to on. The texture filtering negative LOD should be set to allow. The texture filtering quality set to performance. Texture filtering trilinear optimization turned to on. The threaded optimization, set this to auto. The triple buffering, set this to off. And the vertical sync also should be turned off. Now once you've applied all of these NVIDIA settings, you can go and press apply at the bottom of this page and now that's going to give you the best FPS and performance. So what you can do is hop inside of a Valorant game and you can go and check out your new FPS and improved speeds. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.